Hello students, welcome back to 10th English online YouTube channel. This is me Chandrasekhar Sage and I am the faculty of English. In this video, I am going to discuss 25 questions from English language for the practice of All India Sainik School entrance examination that is going to held in next year 2022. And this video includes 25 questions. Fine. So these 25 questions were already published in the previous board examinations. So once again I am going to cover those questions in this video. Try to watch this video till the end and you will get a model or an idea how the questions will be asked. Okay, and from this language, there are total 25 questions will come and each question carries 2 marks, so together 50 marks, right? Let's start the first question now. Okay, so you try to answer these questions, right? 1. Dash is the cleverest boy of our team. So as I told you already, all these 25 questions are on nouns only. So nouns, which noun is the matching here? Okay, a Suresh or Suresh and Suresh or the Suresh. Okay, which is just you have to compare each and every answer with this blank, right? And names are all proper nouns. Okay, all nouns are proper nouns. Okay, and proper nouns are not carried by or preceded by any article a, an or the. So proper nouns comes alone. Okay, they come alone. The answer is Suresh. Okay, Suresh is the answer because there is no article before this pronoun. So the correct answer is Suresh only. Okay, na? And it also comes with the capital letter, right? Question 2. The dash was grazing in the field. Okay, fish was grazing in the field, cow was grazing in the field, or lion was grazing in the field, or bird was grazing in the field. You have to compare. Okay, check every answer with the blank, okay, which is matching. So lion won't come and graze in the field, bird will not. Okay, and fish, they live in the water, so answer is cow only. Cow is okay. Question 3. Meena has 5 dash. So here 5 is a countable one. Okay, countable nouns, and see if any plural form is there in these options: sheep, cow, lion, dogs. Cow is singular, lion singular, dog singular, so 5 is not matching with this B, C, D. Okay, so what is the plural form here? It is only sheep. Okay, it's not lion, even it's not dog also. All these 3 are singular, so the answer is only sheep. Sheep is the correct answer. Okay, Meena has 5 sheep. Sheep itself is the singular or plural. 4th question. The dash is very famous. House, home, hut or Taj, which is very famous here. Okay, na? So hut and Taj won't be the matching answers, no, in this question. Either house or home, we have to think of the 2, either A or B. So out of 2, A, house is the correct answer. The army has completed the dash march. Okay, the army has completed my march. Is it my march, or its march, or our march, or his march? Okay, just compare. So its is the correct answer. Okay, its march. So the army can be replaced with it. Its march is called its march. Okay. Question 6. A dash musicians will perform at our city. Gang of musicians, group of musicians, or band of magicians, bunch of magicians? Which is the correct option for this question? So gang is for robbers, group for people, band is the suitable answer for this. Magicians, bunch is used for keys. Okay, it is not. So A, B, D are not. So the answer is C, band of magicians. Next question 7. The sheep picked up all the dash and made bundle. Okay, all the bundle. Okay, flowers is not, we can't make a bundle with the flowers, we can't make a bundle with the coins, we can't make a bundle with even rupees also, right? So sticks, yeah, sticks, the collective noun of this sticks is bundle. Okay, bundle of sticks. 8th question, we should drink a lot of. Book, water, money, car. It's a very blind answer, you can answer blindly, right? Water, lot of water. And 9th question, experience dash the best teacher. Okay, dash the best teacher. Okay, here we need to compare the 4 options now with this blank, either is or am. Am we can't use. Okay, here there is no pronoun I, with only I we use am. Am wrong answer. Was, here we are not talking about the tense form, past tense, present tense or future. Okay, so was also wrong answer. So here either is or are. Okay, experience is the singular or plural, we have to think. Okay, if it is plural form we can use are, so it is singular, so answer is. The ring is made of cow, pen, gold, forest. So blind you can answer, and the answer is gold. C is gold. 11th question, there were 4 dash in the room. 4, here 4 means what? Countable thing, plural form. So think of the plural answers in these options, and moreover the logical question. Okay, here this is the logical question. In the room, houses will live? No. Cities will live in the room? No. Buildings? No. Boys. So the logical answer is boys, D. 12th, some dash are playing in the ground. Children are playing in the ground, boys are playing in the ground, girl is is. So look at the helping verb here, are. Are is there means we have to select the plural noun. Okay, it must be in plural form. Are is a use for plural noun. Okay, some, so there must be a plural noun. So boy is singular, girl is singular, child is singular. So answer is correct answer. Simply, okay, A is the correct answer. Children are playing in the ground. 13th, today we will sell this dash. This is used for singular noun. Okay, think cars plural form, wrong. Car singular, cows plural, and deers plural, and but spelling mistake, right? So what is the singular noun here? It is car. Okay, B is the correct answer. 14th, to cut vegetables he had to use 2 dash. A 2 is used for plural noun. Okay, think of the plural noun in these options. Knife singular, wrong answer. Knives may be correct but spelling is wrong. Okay, and knives is the correct answer. Answer is C. 15th, some dash are drinking water from the pond. Who are drinking water? Fish, they live in the water, not correct answer. Okay, and deers, fish is wrong, and deers is also wrong because the spelling is wrong. Deer itself is a singular as a plural form. Okay, and men, of course they won't drink water from pond, men won't, so the answer is C, deer. 16th, these dash were very popular. City, these means what? We use for plural noun. Okay, city is singular, wrong answer. Cities may be correct answer. Country is singular, wrong answer. Village may be correct, either B or D. Okay, think of these two. Okay, out of two, which one is the correct answer? These cities were very popular or these villages were very popular? If you think logically, the answer cities will be the correct answer. 17th, the dash called his ministers. Soldier called his ministers. Soldier won't call minister, okay? He has no ministers. Next, poet called his poet and ministers. No, irrelevant topic. Shopkeeper also won't. So A, B, C, the three options are wrong. Then the next answer will be D, is the king. Correct answer. Next, 18th, Salman Khan is a famous dash actress. Actress is used for female people, okay? And Salman Khan is not a female, so actor is used for male people, okay, for male gender. So actor is the correct answer. Actors means plural form, okay? There is only one person, okay? Actors is wrong. And directors, there are no other people, so blindly the answer B is correct answer. 19th, we have no dash, not even a bird or a table. We have no chair, furniture, or see job, work. So job and work, these both are irrelevant to this question. They both are wrong. We have to think of either A or B only. A chair, B furniture. Out of this, so furniture is the collective noun, okay na? Yes, it is the correct answer, which includes bed, table, chair, etc. Next, 20th question is, the crowd was on the main street. The crowd. So identify collective noun from these options, okay? A crowd, B on is a preposition, main is not a collective noun, street also not a collective noun, so the answer is A, crowd is. 21, a crew of dash. So collective noun, is it for soldiers, is it for keys? For soldiers, okay, it's not, okay? Army of soldiers. Keys, for we use bunch of keys. And sailors, yes, a crew of sailors. For flowers we use bouquet of flowers. So C, sailors is the correct answer. 22nd, if thieves is for thief, then mice is for what? Thieves is the plural form, its a singular form is thief. So similarly, mice is plural form, then what is the singular form of mice? Okay, we have to think. Moose, no, wrong answer. Mouse may be correct, mice wrong, mice is wrong, so B, mouse is the correct answer. Queen is for dash, king is for gentleman. So queen, king, then gentleman, what? Queen and king are combination words, then gentleman and dash, what are the remaining pair? The suitable word: woman, no; girl, no; princess, no; lady. Yeah, queen is a lady, whereas king is a gentleman. So option D, lady, is the correct answer. 24th question, army is for soldiers, gang is for what? Army is the collective noun for soldiers. So similarly, gang is the collective noun for what? People, no, we use crowd, okay? Leaders, no. And robbers, yes, gang of robbers, we use the gang of robbers, okay? For merchants, of course, this is not correct answer, so C is gang. Mistress is for master, nun is for what? Mistress is the female gender, master is the male gender. So similarly, nun is the female gender, and what is the male gender for that? Okay, man, there is no woman, okay? So man is the wrong answer. Poetess is not the poet, wrong answer. Lad, lass is not the, so option D is the correct answer. Nun, female. Monk is male gender. I hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, so please click on this like button and share it to your friends. I mentioned one playlist with this name, All India Sainik School Exam Entrance Examination, in my channel. You try to forward my playlist in the channel to your friends. They also watch all the videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day, friends.